find the Fourier transform of f of x equal to e power minus s square by 2, or show that Fourier transform of f of x e power minus s square by 2 is e power minus omega square by 2, or show that Fourier transform of e power minus s square by 2 is self-reciprocal. Self-reciprocal. The sums they will ask in 3 ways. Let us do the sum. We know already first set from the beginning f of x equal to 1 by root of 2 pi minus infinity to plus infinity g omega e power I omega x d omega. G omega, where g omega is the Fourier transform. 1 by root of 2 pi minus infinity plus infinity f of x e power minus I omega x dx. Already I told you we are integrating with respect to omega other than omega is x, this will be function of x. With respect to x, omega is other than x, therefore function of omega. If you integrate omega, function of x result. If you integrate x, function of omega is result. G omega is the Fourier transform. Biggest f means Fourier transform of f of x, which is g omega. We are shortly writing 1 by root of 2 pi minus infinity plus infinity f of x is e power minus s square by 2 e power minus I omega x dx. 1 by root of 2 pi minus infinity plus infinity e power minus s square by 2 minus I omega x dx. One by root of 2 pi minus infinity plus infinity e power negative take out s square by 2 plus I omega x dx. One by root of 2 pi minus infinity plus infinity e power minus 2 cross x square plus 2I omega x by 2 dx. 1 by root of 2 pi minus into plus infinity e power minus 1 by 2 x square plus 2i omega x dx. We should make this as perfect square. Take x square 2i omega x. Cos of x we should divide by 2. We should divide by 2. Therefore, when x plus I omega perfect square, cos of x is 2i omega divided by 2 is I omega perfect square minus square of this subtracting I omega square x plus I omega whole square minus I square omega square x plus I omega whole square I square is minus 1 omega square x plus I omega whole square plus omega square. Instead of x square to omega x, we are writing this perfect square form. We are applying instead of x square plus 2x, we are applying here. Equal to 1 by root of 2 pi minus into plus infinity e power minus 1 by 2 a bracket box bracket x plus I omega square plus omega squared dx. One by root of 2 pi minus into plus infinity e power minus 1 by 2 x plus I omega square minus omega square by 2 dx. 1 by 2 multiply into this. Multiplied. If we let us separate it into 2. 1 by root of 2 pi minus into plus infinity e power minus 1 by 2 x plus I omega whole square e power minus omega square by 2 dx. See, we are integrating with respect to x only. In this power x is there. That here not x is there, therefore we can take it out as a constant. Therefore, e power minus omega square by 2 1 by root of 2 pi minus into plus infinity e power minus 1 by 2 x plus I omega whole square dx. There is a formula which comes into improper integrals. See, minus into plus infinity e power minus a x plus b whole square dx equal to root of pi by a. It is the standard formula, root of pi by a. Here also take this minus infinity plus infinity e power minus 1 by 2 x plus I omega square dx equal to, comparing these two, instead of a is off is there, b not comes in the result, therefore whatever they may be it won't come in the result, therefore this is the same shape, therefore root of pi by half 2 comes up, root of 2 pi, therefore this comes as root of 2 pi as per formula equal to e power minus omega square by 2 1 by root of 2 pi This is root of 2 pi. Root of 2 pi get cancelled. E power minus omega square by 2 is the answer, which is called self-reciprocal. F of x is e power minus s square by 2. G omega x is e power minus omega square by 2. Therefore, same shape comes, which is therefore it is called self-reciprocal. Find the Fourier transform of f of x equal to e power minus a modulus of x. Let us write the formula as per sums you have already seen. Minus infinity plus infinity g omega e power omega x d omega g omega 1 by root of 2 pi minus infinity plus infinity f of x e power minus omega x dx. Some authors may write here negative, this is here positive. All types are correct. Therefore, we can anyway either negative or positive. The answer will become the same. 1 by root of 2 pi minus into plus infinity f of x is e power minus a modulus of x e power minus I omega x dx. One by root of 2 pi minus into plus infinity e power minus a modulus of x cos omega x minus I sin omega x dx. We are separating by this negative into two integrals. 1 by root of 2 pi minus into plus infinity e power minus a modulus of x cos omega x dx minus I by root of 2 pi minus into plus infinity e power minus a modulus of x sin omega x dx. See, if you give negative for x, it won't give negative outside. Sin will give negative outside. Therefore, combinative would come. Therefore, it will become the odd function, which is 0. Limit should be negative to positive. Becomes 0. This is modulus of minus x equal to modulus of x same. Therefore, it won't give negative in the power. Cos won't give negative. Therefore, this is even function. Whenever even comes and even function comes, we are writing 2 by root of 2 pi 0 to infinity twice of the half of the result, half of the space e power minus ax. Modulus won't come. If you apply even function result, modulus won't appear, won't come. Therefore, cos omega x dx, this is odd function 0. Equal to 2 by root of 2 pi 0 to infinity e power minus ax cos omega x dx. We have to apply a formula from the integration. Integration of e power ax cos bx dx equal to e power ax a cos bx plus b sin bx by a square plus b square plus c. This is the formula, integral formula we are going to apply for this integral. Here instead of a is minus a, instead of b is omega equal to root of 2 by pi e power minus ax limit minus a cos omega x plus omega sin omega x by minus a square plus omega square. Limit is 0 to infinity. Infinity. 2 by root of 2 pi. We have integrated with respect to x only. We are giving upper limit for infinity for x only. Therefore, e power minus infinity. See, whatever the cos infinity sin infinity may be, it will become oscillate minus 1 to 1. Whatever the cos angle or sin angle, maximum angle, whatever the angle may be, the result 1 to minus 1 to 1. It will rise between minus 1 to 1, even sin also. Therefore, e power minus infinity is 0. E power minus infinity is 0. Any number in this into 0, completely 0. Minus lower limit e power 0. See, lower limit 0, cos 0 1 minus a sin 0 0 divided by a square plus omega square. Cos 0 equal to 1, sin 0 equal to 0. We know already. We applied this formula in this. E power minus infinity is 0. Therefore, 2 by root of 2 pi 0, e power 0 is 1, minus plus plus a by a square plus omega square. Therefore, g omega equal to 2 by root of 2 pi a by a square plus omega square is the Fourier transform. Is the Fourier transform. Is the Fourier transform.